Good morning, friends. Welcome to IM7 Indicator Performance Review, Day 3. I'm going to share my screen quickly. So please note that this is educational use only, not a financial advice, not a buy-sell direct advisory. I'm not a SEBI-registered research analyst. Please consult your um, financial advisor before taking any decision on this indicator. Okay, thank you. Um, let's okay. Let's quickly start the performance review from yesterday of IM7 indicator. So just a quick note: we have replaced BML with MFSL based on its frequency of trades and its performance metrics. So we will be tracking these four stocks going forward for rest of the sessions. Okay, so what happened yesterday in HAL? We'll see. Still loading. Okay, HAL has a flat day yesterday. There was no stop loss hit and it did not even go for target. So this short position will be taken as a flat. This is not for today though. This will be updated at after 9:15. So we'll come back to this again. What happened to IREDA? Any trade yesterday? Still loading. Just give us a second. Since it's market open time, it's loading a little slower. It's taking more than expected time. That's fine. We can wait till it loads. Yeah. So there was no trade in IREDA yesterday. So we just need to look at for last two trades only. We remember both were loss trades. If you remember, one was short and another one was long. One is both are loss trades. So net is like 4,000. Okay, it's really slow today. Yeah, you see one long and one short, and both were lost yesterday and day before. But yeah, yesterday there was no trade, but day before yesterday and that day before. So let's go with Maruti. What happened yesterday in Maruti? Okay, I think we should do this live little earlier. Not exactly at 9:15. Come on, it's still loading. Yeah, you see, there was a long entry yesterday and it hit the stop loss. So in Maruti, we had a stop loss day yesterday. So last three trades, let's see the PNL, updated PNL for this. Still loading, loading, loading. Yeah. You see, so we had one and two losses, right? Okay. Maruti is really going guns nowadays. Either it is giving a stop loss or a target. I know the volatility is higher. That's fine. So two losses and one win. So the net is like minus 2,000 for Maruti in the last three trades. Let's go with MFSL. What happened with MFSL yesterday and last three trades? Yeah. Okay. Yesterday was a win trade. It was a short trade and it hit the target. So that's why we are seeing 2000 as a profit here. Before, yesterday, day before, and the day before that, there it was a flat trades actually in MFSL. So yesterday was a win trade. That is the reason we are seeing this plus 2000, and these are like flat trades. So overall, plus 2000 is positive for MFSL. Okay, so MFSL is currently positive. Maruti is neutral. IREDA is like last out of last 3 days we got two negative trades, and HAL. What I wanted to show you is three trades. Yeah, exactly. You see here. Um, Yesterday there was entry we got on this candle, which is like 245. You can see 4690.6. This is the one. So it's a flat day but with the negative returns like minus 480 rupees. So roughly HAL we are net loss of minus 2700. Okay, so HAL minus 2700 net loss after three trades. IREDA, we just got two trades out of last 3 days, and net loss is like minus 4,000. Maruti is neutral. I need to check. I think it's not neutral. Out of three trades, two losses, one win. So it's like minus 2,000 net loss. MFSL is net positive 2,000 rupees. So yeah, this is the these are the stats from yesterday and from the last three trades. Okay, we'll continue reviewing again it tomorrow with the fourth day live metrics. Meanwhile, if you want to get in touch with me to know more about this indicator, please do write an email to me on this email ID. So this is basically IM7 is basically an intraday indicator which runs on 5 minutes time frame on specified stocks only. Like this indicator was tested on these four stocks alone. Earlier we had BEML, but the frequency of trades was very less, even though accuracy was very high. So we just replaced that one with MFSL, and we will be continuing, in our strategy with MFSL and along with other three stocks. Okay. As usual, you can just go to these settings and you can test any number of trades based on your trading view account subscription. If you have a free version, you can test up to 50 or 60 trades. If you have a paid version, you can test up to 200 trades. Okay, so you can just take a bigger number. You can see what is a net positive or net PNL. This is how you actually test. Trading view is a little slower today compared to normal days, but anyway, we got the results. So for MFSL, out of last 30 trades, we got like 14,000 in our back testing results. Okay. So this is again brokerage and slippages are not included in this. Are included in this. You need to exclude for the actual PNL. Okay, and always recommendation is to trade with the discount broker to improve the efficiency of this particular strategy. All right, friends, we'll talk again tomorrow in another a live performance session. Have a good trading day ahead today. Thanks. Bye.